जय हिंद गाइस, स्वागत है आपका हमारी फैमिली 24/7 सी जोन में। और आज हमारी बायोलॉजी की क्लास होने वाली है जिसका टॉपिक है साइटोलॉजी। एज प्रीवियस क्लास में भी सेम टॉपिक कवर किया गया था एज द नेम सेल बायोलॉजी, बट प्रीवियस क्लास में इतने क्वेश्चंस नहीं कवर हो पाए थे। बट आज की क्लास में कोशिश यही होगी कि जितने भी साइटोलॉजी से रिलेटेड जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको कवर किया जाए। सो अगर आपको अभी भी डाउट है कि BSc B.Com D फार्मा BLLB BCA BA योगा में कौन सा एंट्रेंस सिलेबस होगा, कैसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, तो उसके लिए सेपरेटली वीडियो बना दी गई है और हमारे चैनल पे वो सारी वीडियोस ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड हैं और इन सारी वीडियोस का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है, आप जाके उसको भी विज़िट कर सकते हैं। आप हमें टेलीग्राम, इंस्टा, ट्विटर, FB इन सब पे भी फॉलो करके हमारी फैमिली को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। और ये टाइम टेबल है हमारा, जैसे कि आपको पता ही होगा, मॉर्निंग 10 AM एंड इवनिंग 5 PM हमारी क्लास होती है। ये शेड्यूल है, आप इसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारी क्लास। द मास्टर माइंड ऑफ द सेल इज A न्यूक्लियस, B न्यूक्लियोलस, C माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और D नन। So, the right answer is A nucleus. The mastermind of the cell is nucleus. Question 2. Nucleoli are rich in A. DNA and RNA, B. DNA and RNA and proteins, C. DNA or D none. So the right answer is option B, DNA, RNA and proteins. Nucleoli are rich in DNA, RNA and proteins. Next question. Histone protein are found in the nuclei of eukaryotes are A. acidic, B. basic, C. neutral or D. none. So the right answer is B, basic. Histone protein are found in the nuclei of eukaryotes are basic. Okay, next question is spindle chromosome have A centriole, B kinetochore or C none. So the right answer is B, kinetochore. Spindle chromosome have kinetochore. Okay, next question. DNA is mainly found in A. nucleus, mitochondria, plastid or B. cytoplasm, C. nucleus and cell wall or D. none. So the right answer is A. nucleus, mitochondria and plastid. DNA is mainly found in nucleus, mitochondria and plastid. Question 6. Chromosome found in prolonged stage in salivary gland of Drosophila are A. B chromosomes, B. polytene chromosome, C. lamp brush chromosomes. तो आंसर जानने से पहले हम ये समझ लेते हैं कि बी क्रोमोसोम्स क्या होते हैं। बी क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं हेट्रोक्रोमैटिक, ये होते हैं नॉन कोडिंग और इनको सेल्फिश जेनेटिक एलिमेंट्स भी बोला जाता है। जहाँ पॉलीटीन क्रोमोसोम्स की बात करें तो ये लार्ज क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं। इनको सबसे पहले रिपोर्ट किया था E.G. बार्बियानी ने। इनका मेन फंक्शन ये होता है कि ये इंसेक्ट्स के सैलिवरी ग्लैंड को हाई लेवल ऑफ फंक्शनैलिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं। लैम्प ब्रश क्रोमोसोम्स ये स्पेशल जायंट क्रोमोसोम्स होते हैं जो कि वर्टिब्रेट्स की oocytes में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वर्टिब्रेट्स की oocytes में प्रेजेंट होते हैं एक्सेप्ट मैमल्स। सो राइट आंसर इसमें होगा ऑप्शन बी, polytene chromosomes. The chromosomes that are found in prolonged stage in the salivary gland of Drosophila are polytene chromosomes. Okay, next question. A cell lacking nucleus would also lack a chromosome, vacuoles, mitochondria, or D, none. So the right answer is A, chromosome. A cell lacking nucleus would also lack chromosome. Function of nucleolus is A, replication of DNA, formation of ribosome, C, none. So the right answer is formation of ribosome. न्यूक्लियोलस का फंक्शन क्या होता है? ये राइबोसोम्स का फॉर्मेशन करना. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच कंपोनेंट ऑफ प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन इन्वॉल्व्ड इन enlargement of cell surface area? Which component of plasma membrane involved in enlargement of cell surface area? Option A, cilia. Option B, microvilli. Option C, desmosomes. Option D, none. So the right answer is option B, microvilli. The component of plasma membrane that is involved in enlargement of cell surface area is microvilli. Next question is chondrosome were discovered by option A, Benda. Option B, Pallidae. Option C, Sutton. So the right answer is option D, Colliker. As you know कि बेंदा ने माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया डिस्कवर किया था, पैलाडे जो है इन्होंने राइबोसोम्स को डिस्कवर किया था, और सूटन ने क्रोमोसोमल थ्योरी ऑफ इनहेरिटेंस दिया था. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सार्कोसोम्स आर ए, मायोफाइब्रिल्स, बी, मसल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, सी, मसल फाइबर्स, और डी, नन. So the right answer is option B, muscle mitochondria. Sarcosomes are muscle mitochondria. Next question is mitochondria were first seen by A, Colliker, B, Waldeyer, C, Bateson, or D, none. So here the right answer is option A, Colliker. Mitochondria were first seen by Colliker. Next question. Synthesis of ATP in mitochondria takes place in FAD, B, NAD, C, ADP, or D, none. So the right answer is option B, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Okay, so full form of NAD is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Next question is the spherical head of oxysome is A, F0 subunit, B, F1 subunit, C, 70S, or D, none. So the right answer is B, F1 subunit. The spherical head of oxysome is F1 subunit. The enzymes of Krebs cycle is present in A. Mitochondrial matrix, B. Mitochondrial cristae, E. C. Endoplasmic reticulum, or D. None. So, the right answer will be A. Mitochondrial matrix. The enzymes of Krebs cycle is present in mitochondrial matrix. Next question is mitochondria are absent in A. Bacteria, B. Virus, C. Blue-green algae, or D. All of these. So the right answer is D. All of these. As you all know that mitochondria is absent in those organisms which is devoid of nucleus. So these all lacks nucleus, that is why mitochondria are absent in all of these. So the right answer will be D, all of these. Okay. Next question. One plantosome contains A. 230 chlorophyll molecules, B. 330 chlorophyll molecule, C. 233 chlorophyll molecules, or D. None. So here the right answer will be A. 230 chlorophyll molecule. One plantosome contains 230 chlorophyll molecules. Question number 18. Photosynthetic unit is called as A. Lysosome, B. Spherosome, C. Quantosome, or D. None. So the right answer will be C. Quantosome. The photosynthetic unit is also called as quantosome. Next question. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site for A. Ribosomes, B. Protein synthesis, C. Both A and B, and D. None. So the right answer is B. Protein synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is the site for protein synthesis. Okay. Next question is which of these stores calcium required for muscle contraction? Option A. Smooth ER, B. Mitochondria, C. Microtubules, or D. None. So the right answer is A. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. That means smooth endoplasmic reticulum stores calcium which is required for muscle contraction. Next question. The cell organelle that is involved in glycosylation of protein. Option A. Ribosome. Option B. Peroxisome. Option C. Endoplasmic reticulum, or option D. None. So the right answer is C. Endoplasmic reticulum. The cell organelle that is involved in glycosylation of protein is C. Endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. Next question is the endoskeleton of cell is made of option A. Cell wall, option B. Protoplasm, option C. Endoplasmic reticulum. So the right answer is option C, endoplasmic reticulum. Next question. The dark stained regions of chromosome are known as A-heterochromatin B-euchromatin C, ideogram, or D, none. So the right answer is B, euchromatin. The dark stained regions of chromosome are known as euchromatin. Next question is dictyosomes are A. Golgi bodies, B. Classes of ribosomes, C. Respiratory particles, or D. None. So the right answer is option A, Golgi bodies. Dictyosomes are also called as Golgi bodies. Okay. Next question. Golgi apparatus is absent in A. Liver cells, B. Yeast, C. Blue-green algae, or D. None. So the right answer is option D, option C, blue-green algae. Golgi apparatus is absent in blue-green algae. Next question is the functional unit of Golgi apparatus is A. Christi, B. Oxysomes, C. Cisternae, or D. None. So the right answer is C. Cisternae. The functional unit of Golgi apparatus is cisternae. Next question. Golgi bodies of plants are usually called as A. Dictyosomes, B. Lysosomes, C. Peroxisomes, or D. None. So the right answer is option A, dictyosomes. The Golgi bodies of plants are usually called as dictyosomes. Okay, next question is nucleosomes are units of DNA, units of RNA, units of chromosome, or none. So the right answer is C, units of chromosome. Nucleosomes are units of chromosomes. Next question. The space between cisternae is of 20 angstrom, 130 angstrom, 70 angstrom, or D, none. So the right answer is B, 130 angstrom. The space between cisternae is of 130 angstrom. And cisternae क्या है? Golgi bodies की functional unit. Cisternae क्या है? Golgi bodies की functional unit. Next question is the length of chromosomes can be measured at A. Mitotic prophase, B. Meiotic prophase, C. Mitotic metaphase, or D. Meiotic metaphase. So the right answer is B. Meiotic prophase. क्रोमोसोम की लेंथ को मेज़र करने का जो टाइम होता है वो होता है meiotic prophase. Okay. Next question. Cellulose, hemicellulose are the constituents of cell wall that are synthesized by A. Golgi apparatus, B. ER, C. Protoplasm, or D. None. So the right answer is A. Golgi apparatus. Cellulose, hemicellulose are the constituents of cell wall that are synthesized by Golgi apparatus. Next question is Carbohydrate synthesis, acrosome synthesis, cell secretions, these all functions are performed by Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, plastids, or none. So the right answer is option A, Golgi apparatus. Next question. Lysosomes are discovered by A. Plastid, B. D-doof, C. Benda, or D. None. So the right answer is B. D-doof. D-doof have discovered the lysosomes. Next question is lysosomes are called as suicidal bags because they have A. Catabolic enzymes, B. Hydrolytic enzymes, C. Food vacuoles, or D. None. So the right answer is they have hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, lysosomes are called as suicidal bags because they have hydrolytic enzymes, and these hydrolytic enzymes are acidic in nature. These enzymes are actually acid hydrolase type. Okay. Next question. Autolysis and intracellular digestion is connected with A. Lysosomes, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Chloroplast, or D. None. So the right answer is A. Lysosomes. Autolysis and intracellular digestion is connected with lysosomes. Next question is the main function of lysosomes is A. Digestion, B. Translation, C. Translocation, or D. Replication. So the right answer is A. Digestion. Lysosomes का मेन फंक्शन क्या होता है? डाइजेशन करना. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. When lysosomes fuses with a phagosome, it results in the formation of A. Autophagic vacuole, B. Residual body, C. Secondary lysosomes, or D. None. So the right answer is option C. Secondary lysosomes. Next question is the lysosomes were first recorded in the fungi from A. Yeast, B. Neurospora, C. Nostoc, or D. None. So the right answer is option B. Neurospora. The lysosomes were first recorded in the fungi from Neurospora. Next question. The ribosomes was discovered by A. Plastid, B. Porter, C. Luther, or D. None. So the right answer is option A. Plastid. Ribosomes was discovered by A. Plastid. Next question is ribosomes are attached to endoplasmic reticulum through option A. rRNA, B. riboforins, C. tRNA, or D. None. So the right answer is option B. Riboforins. Ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum through riboforins. Okay, and these ribosomes also contains a large amount of ribonucleic acid. Okay, next question. The cell organelle common in Protista and Monera is A. Option ribosome, option B. Vacuole, option C. Lysosome, option D. None. So the right answer is option A, ribosome. The cell organelle that is common in Protista and Monra is ribosome. Next question is the unit membrane is absent over ribosome, B, nucleus, C, lysosome, or D, none. So the right answer is option A, ribosome. That means it is not membrane bound organelle. Ribosome is not a membrane bound organelle. Okay. Next question. The main function of ribosome is A, protein synthesis, B, replication, C, translation, or D, none. So the right answer is option A, protein synthesis. The main function of ribosome is protein synthesis. Next question is prokaryotic ribosome dissociates into 50S and 30S, B 60S and 20S, C both A and B, or D none. So the right answer is option B 60S and 20S. Prokaryotic ribosome dissociates into 60S and 20S. Next question. The unit measurement of sedimentation of ribosome is A. Svedberg, B. Angstrom, C. Micron, D. none. So the right answer will be option A. Svedberg. The measurement of sedimentation of ribosome is A. Svedberg. Next question is 4 different types of chromosome but of same sizes are serialized as A. Telocentric, metacentric, acrocentric, and then submetacentric. Next option is metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, or telocentric. Option C both A and B, and option D is none. So here the right answer will be B. First metacentric, then submetacentric, then acrocentric, then telocentric. Okay. Next question. Telomeres of eukaryotic chromosomes consist of A. Adenine-rich repeats, B. Guanine-rich repeats, C. Thymine-rich repeats, or D. none. So the right answer is B. Guanine-rich repeats. Telomeres of eukaryotic chromosomes consist of guanine-rich repeats. Next question is the chromosomes were first discovered by A. Waldeyer, B. Fleming, C. Porter, or D. none. So the right answer is B. Fleming. The chromosomes were first discovered by Fleming. Next question. The subunits of chromatids are called as A. Chromomeres, B. Centromere, C. Kinomere, or D. Kinetochore. So the right answer is A. Chromomere. The subunits of chromatids are called as A. Chromomere. Next question is the function of centrosome is option A. Formation of RNA, option B. Movement of chromosome, option C. Both A and B, and option D. none. So the right answer is option B. Movement of chromosomes. The function of centrosome is movement of chromosomes. थैंक यू गाइस, आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करना, चैनल पर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करके हमारी फैमिली को ज्वाइन करना। ओके, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में किसी न्यू टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत।